friends, we are back again at Nexus Meriden NMD, and today we are going to introduce you to the suction solutions. It's very important again to understand that what is the right tip for your suction requirement, and suction is the most important component of your practice. And we've observed that 60% of the dentists, they are struggling with their suction. Either the suction is weak, either they're not able to get the exact suction they want. So what I'm going to tell you is going to solve at least 20 to 30% of your problems. To know what the right suction is, and to know what the right suction tip is, and which attachment can be used in what slot. So basically your chair has two suction slots. One is high and one is low. So let me show you the all sort of suction tips which are available with us, Nexus Meriden. So these are the regular disposable suction tips. This is also disposable suction tips. So this is the 1x16. This is 1x4. This is the mouth opening. And then we have these ones. These are 11 mm and these are 16 mm. So these are the commonly used suction tips. We've not covered other suction tips which are also in use. These are the most common ones, so we are covering these suction tips today. So these both are basically high whack, and this is a low whack suction tube, which is a disposable suction tube. This is again in the category of high whack, but depending on your suction requirement, you can either use this attachment, the 11 mm, into the low whack and this one into the high whack, but the result is going to give you a high whack suction. So for example, if you're doing a surgery, if it's a big massive surgery, then you might want to get the high whack ones in which the mouth opening is big. So this is the mouth opening is big, you want to use these ones. For the other procedures, you want to get away with a small opening suction tip. At the same time, you don't want the patient to have a lot of suction in the mouth, so you can also get the job done with these ones. Or these ones are also popular. These one has got an advantage, the 1x16. It's the tip are very narrow. You can attach a micro tip and you can go inside the root also to get the suction out, the negative pressure, what they say. So let's now refer to these attachments. I have over here all sort of samples over here, the packs which I just displayed over here. So these are the most common attachments the chair has. You might have noticed this is a metal casting suction holder. This is low, this is high. This is a plastic handle suction holder. This is low, this is high. And then we have these adapters which are also called as converters. So all these exclusive range is with us at Nexus Meriden, and you can easily, anytime, you can reach out to us and you can have these. Before I forget, I just want to quickly tell you that these two suction tips over here, they both are autoclavable till 134 degrees. As you can see, it's mentioned over here on the tip itself. And the other two are disposable. So you can get your work done as per your needs. So now let's begin. Let's understand the suction holders and what sort of suction tips are compatible to these. So this is the low whack suction holder, and then straight away, if you want to use your regular one, you can just fit your standard suction tip, which can be easily fitted. Now moving ahead to your high whack suction. So the high whack suction, this is not going to fit in the high whack suction. For example, if your low suction is not working or is engaged, you want to use this one, you can use the adapter and you can get the job done also. So I'm using this adapter over here and I'm going to fit the suction. So what is just we are attached is that it's a high whack suction slot. I've used a connector, and then I'm using a low whack suction tip. So I'm getting a high whack pressure and my regular tips are being used in the high whack. This is what the converter does. These converters are very helpful and I believe everybody should have this in their practice. These are silicon adapters, converters, and very useful at times when you are running out of some options. So this was the high, this was the low, and then let's understand the plastic suction holders also. So starting with the low one, again, if you want to fit in, the regular one is not gonna go in, so you just use the adapter and then this is going to fit in. So there you see how helpful the adapters are. And then moving to the high one. So the high one, again, if I want to use one green 1x4 high vac suction disposable tip is not going in, I can use a high vac adapter and I can use one more adapter and then I can also use the regular one, or I can directly use this one in the small one, and also I can use the high ones in here. So all these options can be done with the help of these adapters. So if I want autoclavable ones, I can directly fit in the high vac one. So it's just gonna give me the output is the mouth opening for this suction tip is 16 mm and it's gonna give me a massive suction inlet. So this is all the suction holders and this is the commonly used suction tips for your various suction requirements. You can buy this from us, and this is very helpful in understanding what sort of requirement you have. The regular one for the high ones, again high vac, depending if you want to get a narrow thing done, there is a very small mouth opening. You can attach a micro tape and also use it for a negative suction. So that was it for today, and we'll introduce you more such innovative ideas and options which are available in market. This is going to make you understand that what sort of options are available in the market. If you're just using a standard suction tip, most of the people are just using a regular suction tip and they do not know that what other options are available, or if they have by chance a bigger tip which is not fitting, so how to fit them. I've also shown options and solutions for that. So you can always refer to the video, and you can always ping us if you want certain attachment which is missing in your practice to make your practice complete. So hope you like this video and it was a good information for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you, in case you've not subscribed, and like this video if you like it, and that will motivate us to come up with more solutions, ideas and information which we are going to share with you free of cost on this channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care.